Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today, we are going to see how you can convert yourself into a superhero using Filmora AI features. You can even use your image to create a whole story. Want to learn? Keep watching. Before we begin, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to ensure you never miss any of my upcoming videos. First, launch Filmora and then import your video and place it onto the timeline. As you can see, this is normal footage. Now, to convert the character to a superhero, take a snapshot of the last frame. Then go to the stock media, then go to the AI media, and you will get an option of VEO3. And we all know VEO3 is an advanced level video generator, and you can use it in Filmora. You can generate a scene by writing a prompt. Upload your last frame snapshot or your image, and then write the script. Or copy and paste the script and click on Generate. And AI will generate a whole scene video, including you as a character. Then you can use Start End Frame to Video and Reference to Video. Or you can use the Video Inspiration tab. Click on the template to see the preview. You can create an awesome transformation video using these templates. First, select the template of your choice. Then, click on the first frame and upload your last frame snapshot. Then click on Submit, and finally click on Generate. And within a few seconds, AI will generate a video for you. Now, simply drag and drop the generated video at the end of the clip. And now, let's see the preview. That easy to turn yourself into a superhero using AI on Filmora 14. Now, next, you can use AI Idea to Video feature. Launch the Idea to Video feature. Paste the script. Then, adjust the video duration, language, and aspect ratio. Then click Generate AI Script. And AI will generate a whole script for you. Now, on the next screen, you will get all the scenes. Click on Character, and you can generate a character using AI. Or you can upload your image. Now, go to the scene and generate scene images using AI. Select Generate by AI, and AI will generate two options for all the scenes. Select the image and click on Confirm, and finally click on Generate. And with a few minutes, AI will generate a whole video based on your script. Now, let's see the preview. The way to turn yourself into a superhero, or you can generate a whole scene using an AI idea for a video feature. Download Filmora 14 from the link in the description and get up to 45% off. If you like the video, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Check out my channel for more awesome tutorials on Filmora.